Do you know that certain foods you eat every day might be silently feeding cancer cells? Today, we'll uncover 12 harmful foods that create an acidic environment where cancer thrives, and more importantly, how to replace them with healthier options. Stay tuned until the end for a free 7-day alkaline meal plan to transform your health. Your body operates best in a slightly alkaline state with a pH of around 7.4. This balance is crucial because it creates an environment where your cells thrive, and harmful organisms like cancer cells struggle to survive. Scientific studies confirm that cancer cells multiply faster in acidic conditions, making pH balance essential for preventing disease. So, what disrupts this balance? Acid-forming foods like sugar, red meat, and processed snacks flood your body with harmful compounds. They cause chronic inflammation, weaken your immune system, and lead to diseases like diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. But here's the good news. Your body is designed to heal itself. By incorporating alkalizing foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and whole grains, you can neutralize excess acidity and restore your health. For example, did you know that a simple glass of lemon water in the morning can set your body's pH right for the day? Let's now dive into the 12 foods you need to avoid and discover healthier options to create balance. Let's talk about red meat, a staple in many diets but one of the most harmful when consumed excessively. Red meat is rich in protein and phosphorus, which increase acidity in your body. Scientific research has linked high consumption of red meat to a higher risk of colon cancer and chronic inflammation. Why is this dangerous? Red meat contains heme iron and N-nitroso compounds, which can damage the cells lining your colon and trigger mutations, leading to cancer. But here's the good news. You don't have to give up protein. Replace red meat with healthier options like organic chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins such as tofu and lentils. These alternatives are lower in acidity, reduce inflammation, and support a balanced diet. For example, organic chicken is a great source of lean protein, while salmon is packed with anti-inflammatory omega-3s. And if you're looking for plant-based options, lentils are high in protein and fiber, making them perfect for a hearty super salad. Which of these alternatives would you try? Let us know in the comments below. Coming up next, a common ingredient that could be even worse for your health. Next, let's talk about refined sugar, a hidden enemy in our diets that feeds cancer cells and disrupts your body's balance. Refined sugar is highly acidic and depletes your body of essential minerals like magnesium and calcium. This weakens your immune system and creates the perfect environment for chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. Did you know that sugar is a cancer cell's favorite fuel? Studies show that high glucose levels in the blood accelerate the growth of cancer cells by providing them with instant energy. But don't worry, there are healthier alternatives. Replace refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or stevia. These options are less acidic and contain beneficial nutrients when consumed in moderation. For example, you can use honey in your tea or drizzle maple syrup over your breakfast oats. These small changes can make a big difference in your health. Do you use any of these alternatives already? Let us know in the comments below. Coming up next, a popular snack that may be doing more harm than good. Let's move on to processed snacks like chips, crackers, and packaged treats. A convenient choice, but one that can quietly harm your health. Processed snacks are loaded with trans fats, high sodium levels, and artificial additives. These substances increase inflammation, disrupt your metabolism, and strain your heart and kidneys. Did you know that trans fats not only raise bad cholesterol, but also lower good cholesterol, doubling the risk of heart disease? But don't worry, there are healthier options. Swap chips with air-popped popcorn, crackers with whole grain alternatives, and packaged treats with homemade roasted nuts or fruit slices. For example, you can make a simple and healthy trail mix using almonds, walnuts, and dried cranberries. These snacks provide healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you energized throughout the day. Do you have a favorite healthy snack? Share it with us in the comments. Next, we'll discuss a drink many of us consume daily that could be more harmful than we think. Let's now look at caffeine and sugary beverages, two common culprits in modern diets that silently harm your health. While caffeine in moderation can improve focus, excessive consumption disrupts your body's pH balance, making it more acidic and prone to inflammation. Sugary beverages like sodas and energy drinks are even worse. Packed with refined sugar and artificial ingredients, they not only spike your blood sugar, but also deplete essential minerals like magnesium, weakening your immune system. Here's the good news. You can replace these with healthier options. Switch to herbal teas like chamomile or green tea, which are alkalizing and packed with antioxidants. For a refreshing drink, try infused water with lemon and mint. It's hydrating and supports detoxification. Do you prefer herbal teas or infused water? Share your choice in the comments below. And stay tuned for our next harmful food. It's something you probably have in your fridge right now. Let's talk about aged dairy products and cheese. Delicious but potentially harmful to your health if consumed excessively. Aged cheeses and dairy products are highly acid-forming due to their high protein and phosphorus content. They can strain your kidneys, increase inflammation, and disrupt your body's pH balance. Moreover, many people are lactose intolerant, which can lead to bloating, gas, and even chronic inflammation if dairy is consumed regularly. But there's good news. You can switch to healthier alternatives like almond milk, coconut yogurt, or cashew-based cheese. These options are plant-based, alkalizing, and easier to digest. For example, try making a vegan cheese sauce with cashews, nutritional yeast, and lemon juice. It's creamy, tasty, and packed with nutrients. Do you prefer plant-based dairy alternatives? Comment below with your favorite ones. Next up, a processed meat that's hiding significant health risks. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli meats might be delicious, but they come with significant health risks. These meats are loaded with preservatives like nitrites and nitrates, which have been linked to cancer when consumed excessively. They also contain high levels of sodium, leading to high blood pressure and kidney issues. But did you know that the World Health Organization has classified processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, putting them in the same category as tobacco? The good news is you can switch to healthier options. Choose organic chicken, turkey, or fresh fish for a cleaner protein source. For plant-based alternatives, tofu, tempeh, and lentils are excellent options. Here's an easy recipe. Make a quinoa salad with lentils, fresh vegetables, and a tangy lemon dressing. It's nutritious, delicious, and free of harmful additives. Do you eat processed meats regularly? If so, what alternatives would you like to try? Comment below, and stay tuned for the next food that could be impacting your health more than you realize. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings might taste delicious, but they're some of the worst offenders when it comes to your health. Deep frying not only adds empty calories, but also creates harmful compounds like acrylamide, a known carcinogen that forms when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures. Consuming fried foods regularly increases your risk of heart disease, obesity, and even certain cancers. And if the oil is reused multiple times, it becomes a toxic chemical soup. But here's the solution. Instead of frying, try steaming, baking, or using an air fryer for a crispy texture with minimal oil. You can still enjoy the crunch without compromising your health. Have you tried cooking with an air fryer? Let us know your favorite healthy recipes in the comments below. And next, we'll talk about a surprising drink that might be harming your gut health. Processed snacks like chips, cookies, and candy bars might satisfy your cravings, but they're loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and artificial additives. These snacks are highly acidic and contribute to chronic inflammation, a major factor in diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart problems. Here's why. Many processed snacks contain trans fats and high fructose corn syrup, which increase bad cholesterol levels and disrupt your body's pH balance. But don't worry, you can still enjoy snacks without harming your health. Try natural alternatives like baked vegetable chips, unsalted nuts, or dried fruits with no added sugar. Do you have a go-to healthy snack? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned, because the next food may be hiding in your kitchen pantry. Soda and sugary drinks may quench your thirst momentarily, but they're doing long-term damage to your health. Loaded with high fructose corn syrup and phosphoric acid, these drinks spike your blood sugar, weaken your bones, and create an acidic environment in your body. Did you know that just one can of soda contains up to 10 teaspoons of sugar? This overload leads to weight gain, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation. But here's the solution. Instead of sugary drinks, switch to infused water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or mint. Herbal teas and freshly squeezed juices are also great alternatives that hydrate and energize without harmful effects. What's your go-to healthy drink? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for the next food that might be hiding in your fridge. High-fat dairy products like butter, heavy cream, and cheese may taste indulgent, but they can harm your health if consumed in excess. These products are high in saturated fats and casein, a protein that can trigger inflammation in some people. Over time, this can lead to increased cholesterol levels, digestive issues, and even contribute to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. But there are healthier options. Switch to almond milk or oat milk for your coffee, try vegan cheese alternatives, or use avocado spread instead of butter. Do you have a favorite dairy alternative? Share your tips in the comments. And next, we'll uncover a hidden culprit that's often disguised as a health food. Refined grains like white bread, white rice, and regular pasta might seem convenient, but they strip away the essential nutrients during processing. What's left is mostly empty calories that spike your blood sugar levels. Over time, eating these refined grains can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart problems. The good news? Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa provide fiber, vitamins, and a steady energy source. They keep you full longer and support overall health. Do you have a favorite whole grain recipe? Share it with us in the comments. And don't go anywhere. The conclusion of this video will tie everything together and give you a complete guide to healthier eating. An alkaline diet doesn't mean you need to eliminate all acidic foods. Instead, it's about finding balance. Aim for 80% alkaline-forming foods like leafy greens, fruits, and whole grains, and 20% acidic foods like lean proteins and healthy fats. For example, a balanced meal could include a large portion of sautéed spinach, grilled salmon, and a side of quinoa. It's nutritious, delicious, and keeps your body in harmony. Have you tried creating a balanced plate like this? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to download your free alkaline meal guide in the description. You now know 12 harmful foods that can harm your health and their healthy alternatives. From refined grains to high-fat dairy, each choice matters in your journey to better health. Take the first step today by incorporating these alternatives into your meals. And don't forget to download your free 7-day alkaline meal plan in the description below. It's packed with easy recipes and tips to transform your health. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Next time, we'll reveal the top alkaline foods to transform your health. Don't miss it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell now.